You're watching Naptown Buzz, your source for all things Indy.
I stand right there for an Indy. I've been right there in that same spot for 23 years.
Have you?
Yeah. I saw you in the Mercedes. That was awesome. I was up in turn 4 when you won in the Galmer.
Yeah, okay.
I've got a really cool picture. You signed it for me. You and AJ signed it, but you were in the short chute in the Galmer on carb day, and AJ's looking at you, giving you a one finger up for some reason.
Yeah.
So he signed it and you signed it. Really cool.
I've got a picture of it. Top of the hill. It would start right at the line. Okay. Right at the line. And it's signed for it like that. Those kilometers on the
I got a shot of you I took in Mid-Ohio, went in Mid-Ohio in the Marlboro car.
Okay.
I've got a lot of great memories.
Last time I went to Mid-Ohio for Indianapolis, just like this, probably didn't really. I had to put an SVRA here because I didn't know so much water. Man, I got soaked. I got some really neat pictures. Really good pictures. I got you some water bodies. I think last year it was raining out here. It's so wonderful. Something to see every day. Right. It was a good time. Pardon me? Don't know what they were planning on using. You know, I don't believe nothing else but Chevrolet product can be out there. So I think that goes along with the contract with the pace car for 500 a year. So we would have probably been in this Suburban had it been right.
Have you been in the museum and looked at the Penske exhibit and all that?
Mm-hmm.
It's awesome.
Yeah, it is.
It's awesome. Took my 5-year-old.
Driving for Roger was awesome. It truly was.
I can imagine.
And you know,
Top
everybody
notch.
you talk to, if you're over him, has the utmost respect for him.
Yeah.
And all say the same thing. It's one of the highlights of their career. I think Simon Pasnell's going to be the title this year.
Yeah, he's looking good, isn't he?
He's looking real good. And you know, he's one of the most fan-friendly people you've ever want to meet.
You know, he seems like that to me.
Every time people come out of the garage during the month of May, there'd be a stronger people that come around. He'd think, wow, you guys all waiting for me?
Right.
And you'd go to thank him, and he'd say, well, no, thank you for waiting for me. Thank you for taking the time to come talk to me.
Nap Naptown Buzz is brought to you by our supporters at Patreon.
Well, that's all we have for this episode of Naptown Buzz. Get a hold of us, naptownbuzz@gmail.com, at Naptown Buzz on Twitter. You can get a hold of us on Facebook. Call the Buzz line, leave a message, 317-891-4627, or send us some snail mail, Surge Bucket Media, P.O. Box 39178, Indianapolis, Indiana 46239. We look forward to hearing from you.